Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are back with another video on the channel. I did it again. Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are back with another unboxing video with a relatively small package. So let's hop straight into it, shall we? Alright, because I love you guys more, I'm going to show you first what is inside, and it's a bunch of products. We have a microphone adapter, we have the quick release mount 2.0, we have the vertical horizontal mount, and we have a triple battery charger for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 batteries. It works for the Ace and the Ace Pro as well. Let me get this trash out of here. There's more products, but that's probably, I might do that in a different video. It's not related to Insta360, you know, so it doesn't make the most sense to add that in the video. Let's hop straight to the first product, the microphone upgrade. It's an upgrade that allows me to use an external microphone. Alright, so I just cut this open already. So here's the microphone adapter. Actually, let's pull off. Oh. Alright, some weird plastic for some reason. Alright, so based on what I know is this is a charging port, USB Type-C, and it is a microphone port, and I will have the ability to charge and use an external microphone at the same time, which would be good for like unboxing videos like this one, but I'm not going to use it just yet. I'll keep it for another video. Then next up, for some reason the color here is different. They chose gray instead of red. There we go. Quick release mounts. Instructions for use. Great. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, the package is a little weird. What on earth is this? So let me open this up real quick. Oh, this is heavy. I mean, I could fill that with the package already on there. I am going to Suriname, which is in South America, in December. So that's also a fun thing. I'm gonna try to film some stuff, but I'm not sure exactly what I'll be able to film. Once again, it is funded by my grandmother, so shout out to my grandmother. If you're not sure why I said that, it's because she also funded the vacation to Paris. The link is in the top right corner of the video right now. So I know that I can take this off, I just have no clue how. You probably noticed that I've been struggling with that. Well, I assume this is locked and this is unlocked, but I'm not sure. I also have no idea what this is for. It seems kind of random. Alrighty, the vertical horizontal mount. Let's go. So I had already opened this up before, you know, because I was curious. So this is another instruction manual, and this is pretty straightforward. I do like the foam on this one. It's like this like nice foam and stuff. I like foam for some reason. I would show you how to use it, but I can't do that because I'm literally filming with my camera right now, so I'm just gonna leave that over here, side by side in order of unboxing. Alright, then we have the last product. Let me lower the camera down. Alright, the last product is the fast charge hub. I called it a 3 battery something, but it's basically the same thing. So let me open that up. Bam! Oh, that was smooth. Did you see that? USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Always good. Materials, pretty nice too. We have another instructions for use. Alright, this looks pretty good. You know what? I have one more product that I haven't shown before because I never really thought of making a video of it. This is the charging hub for 3 batteries. USB Type-C, of course. I could probably connect a power bank to this, which can then charge all 3 batteries. I only have 2 batteries, by the way. But let me get the other products. So this is a carry case. Well, the box is empty, but that's not the carry case. The carry case is something I unboxed myself off camera. Alright, the carry case. Think bold. Here I have some things. The official Insta360 Ace Pro 2 USB Type-C charging cable. We have this thing, which is actually the thing that goes around the lens to protect it. And of course, I have one battery right here, which came with the camera. So now I can just plug that in there. I can put this in here. I can put this in here like so. Wait, where am I supposed to put this? I don't know. But I know I can put this one here like so. I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. I feel like it's supposed to go in here. I'll be taking this entirety with me to Suriname, including with this thing and the selfie stick, and maybe this tripod foot. It's actually not from the Insta360 selfie stick, but I had it, so why not use it? I just have to figure out how to put this in here somehow. Oh, it's just really strong magnet. Oh, that's, Can I put you in here now? Look at that, much better. And I suppose I can take this and put that in here. Oh, now I know what it's for. This is to do this. Oh, that's satisfying. Yeah, that's not coming off. So this is very secure, and I really appreciate that. There is more products that I intend to get, but you know, I'm broke. Alright, so that's it for this video. Yes, I am now a vlogger apparently. But yeah, that's it for the products. Let me know in the comments down below what you liked and what you didn't like. Make sure to also tell me what I can improve for future unboxing videos so that I can make my content better for you to enjoy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!